Hey, what's up guys, my name is Anshul and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today in this video, let us review the most pro smartphone that this industry has seen in the year 2023. Yes, I'm talking about the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and let us review the device and see what is the hype all about. Okay, so I have been using the Google Pixel 8 Pro from quite some time now, and here are my thoughts. Well, I have always been a Pro user, but I have multiple times switched between Pro and the no Pro smartphones, but never have I appreciated the word Pro so much in a device, and that is something to say about the Google Pixel 8 Pro. In my short usage of this smartphone, I can say that the processor is noticeably slower than the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or the iPhone 15 Pro Max, that are the most pro smartphones that we had before this Google Pixel 8 Pro. Or I can't even tell that I am missing the action button or I'm missing the S Pen that makes me feel lost not using that feature on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. In fact, this is the only smartphone I recommend you to buy in the year 2023. In fact, I can say it with confidence that this year Google has made a clear distinction between the Pro and the no Pro smartphone, and I am actually liking the way that the things are on this year of the Google smartphones. Now, I do not have the regular Google Pixel 8 to review, but I used a non-pro Google Pixel device last year, and this year the phone is almost the same except for a few differences that does make sense to me. But this Pro Pixel 8, the moment you pick the device, you start to see the differences between the Pro and the no-Pro devices. And again, this is a big thing to say that the Google Pixel 8 Pro is the most pro smartphone that we have in the industry right now. I think you know where I'm taking this video. The moment you pick up the Google Pixel 8 Pro versus the regular Google Pixel 8, there are a few changes. Even the design. It is better on the Google Pixel 8 Pro as you get the matte finish on the back, that is again the Pro only thing. A super actual display which is really brighter and better than every aspect of the regular Google Pixel 8. The temperature sensor that is exclusive to the Google Pixel 8 Pro. The improved 5x optical zoom camera which is again exclusive to the Google Pixel 8 Pro as well. And I'm not even discussing the software because there is a huge leap in the terms of software as well when we compare the Google Pixel 8 Pro with the regular Google Pixel 8. But hey, we are over here reviewing the Google Pixel 8 Pro very specifically. Now on the software side of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the phone has got some exclusive features like summarize the page you are reading on. There is also an exclusive camera application with features like changing the ISO and the shutter speed that again is on the Pro model only, and also the video boost feature which I won't be able to test until December because the feature is not released, but this is something that I'm excited to work around and shoot some videos with the Google Pixel 8 Pro and make use of that video boost feature to improve the quality on these videos that you are watching on my YouTube channel. While Google can implement the same on the regular Pixel 8 too, I am not angry as Google has managed the perfect balance between price to what you are getting with the Google Pixel 8 devices this year. Well, with that said, I think that this might not be the review that you are looking for and you may be looking for something extra. Well, let us talk about that extra because I'm talking about the photography and the magical features, the magical AI features that the Google Pixel 8 Pro has to offer. Now, the cameras on the Google Pixel 8 Pro straightway are better than the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and even the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And even this year around, this smartphone camera is even more capable in the terms of the video department only if the company enables this video boost feature. That again something that I need to test and I want to see that how much leap it is in the terms of the video quality. But the matter of fact is that how many times you opened up a video, recorded on your phone, open it on a TV and realize that the output is not next to what you would expect from the real life experience, what you saw with your eyes, reality is that 99% of the world does not even have a $4,000 TV to reproduce the real colors what your smartphone recorded or what your DSLR or a pro camera recorded on the smartphone or on the camera or whatsoever device it is. In fact, the truth is that after you shoot your video, how was the quality of voice? Was there any background noise? Was there a shaky video? And the other truth is that Samsung and the Apple devices have an even more powerful processor, and even with that processing that they have, they are not able to maintain those intelligent features like removing noise and removing the shakiness of the video, which is something that only the Google Pixel 8 Pro is able to do in this day and time. Even with the weak G3 tensor chip on the Google, the video recording is excellent with Audio Magic Eraser removing the background noise. Here is a test video, and as you can already see, there was a lot of noise in the background, and as I move this slider you can see that the background noise is almost gone over here. For the still photographies, here are the samples from the iPhone 15 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra versus the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and you can already see that at 1x the images are better on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and the same thing is with when the shots are taken at 5x. Again, Google is a clear winner, and surprisingly at 15x and 30x too, where Apple cannot do 30, so we do not count it. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is a clear winner in the terms of detail, how sharp the image is, and how well it was able to manage the exposed part and how were the highlights. So yes, I would take the Google Pixel 8 Pro in comparison to the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in the terms of still photography. Also, I noticed that the cinematic video in my early testing is not as good as the Apple and the Samsung devices, but I will wait for the video boost feature on the Google Pixel 8 Pro to give my final decision on that one. I noticed that the selfies on the Google Pixel 8 Pro are improved one as well, but anyway, I would always take the iPhone 15 Pro Max because the selfie camera over there is way better than what we have with the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and you can already see the differences in these photographs. So yes, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a better one in the terms of the selfie shooting. Now again, on to some of the magical AI features on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. The features like twist to change cameras, clear calling feature to remove background noise when on call, live transcribe feature to see what the person is saying when leaving a voice note, voice typing for the more accurate voice typing experience, call screen feature for Google Assistant to now detect and filter out even more spam calls, the improved AI voice to mimic an actual human speaking subject, and crash detection are intelligent than any other smartphone that we have in the market. And this year we have the Magic Editor, which allows you to shift the subject on the X and the Y axis from one position to another, and also allows you to remove the background from the image, which is just very amazing, which makes me say that this is the most pro smartphone that this industry has seen, at least in the year 2023. Now on to the other things that I liked about the Google Pixel 8 Pro is an inclusion of a flat display versus a semi-curved one from the last year. Also, this is a 6.7 inches display with LTPO technology, and Google calls it a super actual display because now it can have a peak brightness of up to 2400 nits when in the outdoor condition, and I think that indoors for the HDR content it is 1600 nits. That is, I think, the maximum that I have seen in the smartphones in the North American market, which is a major win. There are also a few things that I did not like about this phone, starting with the base variant, which just has 128GB of internal storage, which is 1/4 of what Samsung offered me at the launch price. The charging on this phone is also not the fastest at 30 watt, and I think that Google could have done better with 65 watt of charging, at least on the Pro devices, because now they are the Pro devices, unlike the small differences that we used to see between the non-Pro and the Pro devices like the last year of Google Pixel lineup. So well, now on to the verdict. I think that this one over here is the most simple one. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is simply the best Android device that you can purchase in the year 2023, and yes, that is a bold claim to say. This one over here is the most intelligent and the most pro smartphone that we have in the market, and this is the only company who really distinguished between a pro and a no pro device this year. And yes, if you're looking for a pro device, just go for the Google Pixel 8 Pro rather than getting the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And again, if you're bored with the iPhones, then again, this Google Pixel 8 Pro is a good choice. So well, yes, that was all about this video. My name is Anshul. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.